How's it going? So, to send email from Node.js, like if you haven't succeeded so far, I'll give you a shortcut. It's probably because you're using your personal password, right, to send in the configuration. Because in configuration you have to put email and password. And that password must not, I repeat, must not be your password. It must be the application password. So just try to figure out what's the application password for your specific email provider, all right? So the first thing you do, so we're going to be using a program called, well, npm installer called Node Mailer. This one here. So it's this one here, right? Now configuration is a lot easier, to be honest with you. You can probably, we're gonna be copy and pasting code from here, so we're gonna need it anyway. This line here is completely useless. Okay, so in here they give you this ethereal blah blah blah, but we're not gonna be using it. We're gonna be using actually a real one. So the first thing you do, I'll link this in the description below. Select one from here because they are already automatically configured for you. Okay, so we're gonna be using mail.ee or whatever. Okay, so what do we need? The first thing we need is we need to create a, let's do mail. Yeah, let's go here and let's sign up. Sign up. Okay, so we're gonna do, I don't know, whatever, YouTube demo. Actually, we're gonna do a gibberish. So I'm in here right now, random password generator, and I'm just gonna do, I don't know. So we're just gonna use this. That's gonna be our username, and we're gonna use that for password as well. Whatever. Finish. Okay. So it's, I think it's RIOJE. I don't know if it's case sensitive. Let's do not case sensitive. Panda in C. Okay, it's this guy. C. Sea otter? What? I don't know, it looks like a sea. Oh god, daisy. Okay, that's a daisy, that's a daisy, that's a daisy. Daisy, okay, it's daisies. Password is too easy to guess. Okay, so we're gonna generate a new one. Let's just do this. Oh god, we're gonna have to do it again. Hold on a sec, let me just save this. I'm gonna pull, anyway, hold on a sec. So it's gonna be email, password. So email is going to be this, at mail.ee. Password is gonna be, what is the password? It's gonna be this. Okay, so she submit sea otter again. I think it's this guy here. Okay. Okay, hold on a sec. Let me do this. So we're waiting for SMS to arrive, right? It should be almost instant, so it arrived already for me. Oh, whoops. Yeah, okay, so it's... Okay, birthday. Okay, so we're in our email box. Okay, so that's about it. That's our email box. Okay, so the next thing we need to do, we need to go to our code, basically. Oh my god, where's our code? You see, it's because I clicked too fast, that's why it's trolling now. We need to go to main server, I think, right? No, oh yeah, that's why. Okay, hold on. Okay, so we are doing... Okay, so then we need to install node mailer, this thing, node mailer, right? So new terminal, maybe install node mailer. Come on. Okay, so this thing is now installed, and then you copy and paste standard code, which is you can get it from here, basically, right? Where is the code? Yeah, so from here. Then what you need to do is you can just copy and paste this entire code into your... Well, before that we need to create a route, right? Route. So I'm using router, right? So we'll create route, get, send email, make sure it's asynchronous, request response. Now we can copy and paste the code. We need everything from here to here. We don't need the final line because okay, so we'll copy and paste this. Okay, so you do not need these two lines, you can just remove them. And then here we just put mail.ee. If you're using any other, like from the, what you call it, from here, don't use Gmail because it doesn't work anymore, because they don't allow unsafe applications. So if it's like hot.ee, just put in hot.ee, hotmail, whatever the string is from here, you put it in. Right, so you see, mail.ee, small letters. Okay, because this already is configured for you, so you don't need to spend time on doing this mumbo jumbo. Okay, so that's gonna be our email. Oh, whoops, it has to be a string, by the way. And that's gonna be our password. Like this. Okay, from, you have to have a, let's just put the same one here. And then to, let's send it to, let's send it to myself. Yeah, okay. So subject, you can put YouTube demo subject line. Okay, so in here you have two options. Well, you actually have three options. Well, two. You can do plain text, so it will arrive as just as if it was a text file. Or you can do HTML and it will arrive as if it was like a web page. So if you want to make something fancy, you can do it in here. Again, I will link in the description below, because there are different types. Message configuration, you see? You go to message configuration, and then you can do attachments, you can do HTML, text, subject, etc. To, from, whatever. Okay? And at this stage, that's it. You're pretty much done. So we're gonna do just plain text. Let's just do plain text. And that's it. You're done. So now we need to trigger it. So let's just trigger it. Because our port, our server is on port 5000. So we can just trigger it. So we're going to trigger it. Actually, I'm going to put a, just so you'll be able to see, response, send, email sent. Oh, whoops, my apologies, my apologies. Okay, so this is incorrect. This is not going to work because we are using personal password. We must not use personal password. Okay, so in here you have to go to options. So this is the final step, my apologies. This is final step. Okay, so we go here, Outlook email programs, enable, and that's your password. Copy it, okay. If you forgot it, just show password. There you go. And then we go into, and that's where we'll put it, in here. So now this should work. Okay, so now let's trigger it again. You can use Postman to trigger it, I just do it this way. And then that's it. This is done. So you see. Why did you send twice? I wonder. Oh, it's because I saved twice, I think, right? Or didn't I? It doesn't matter. Okay. Like, this is done. That's it. Well, I'll send it to myself. Just to make sure. Let's just trigger it again. Message sent. Okay, cool. So let me check my email box. Yeah, you see, I don't want to send it to, let's see. Yeah, you see, I don't like using Gmail for this purpose because it goes to spam. There it is, you see. YouTube subject line. Okay, that's it, we're done. Take care.